Hey folks, this is a concept map and it's a simple one in that it only has two concepts. Now, what a concept is just an abstract idea. It could be algebra, it could be geography, or it could be specific terms, say energy and photosynthesis. Now, what a concept map does, aside from defining what the concept is that it also links it to other concepts. And it's a really good way to sort of push your learning because as you make links between certain parts of knowledge, it becomes stronger in your head. So I'll show you how to use it. It's very simple. The way it works is you've got to look at how these arrows are flowing. And these arrows show you the direction in which you should read. So for example, if we went to the concept energy, we can't go back down this arrow, we have to follow it this way. So it says energy, and it starts the sentence off with energy. Energy is how much a system can change. Energy can enter the earth through different processes, for example, photosynthesis. So what it does is it constructs a sentence between these two concepts. Now, you could do that just by writing in your book, but it means you can also backtrack. So we could go photosynthesis is a chemical reaction in plants where CO2 plus water equals oxygen and glucose. For this to happen, it requires the sun's energy, and we're back at the point. How this is useful is as we add more concepts, which you'll see later on, you get a lot more links, and your knowledge and understanding of these ideas becomes richer.